This literally tastes like a Wendy's Frosty. I'm absolutely starving. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the intro and the title of this video, I am going to be eating nothing but smoothie bowls for a whole entire day. Don't ask me why, I just thought it'd be interesting. So I started my day with my wheatgrass juice. This is so good for you and it makes me feel super energized and just like super healthy when it's the first thing I drink in the morning. And then I'm going to be making my cherry berry smoothie bowl as my first smoothie of the day. If you guys want the full recipe with ingredients and stuff in it, it is in my recipe book. This is probably one of my favorite smoothie recipes of mine that I have in it, and it's literally so good. It's like having ice cream for breakfast. Like, oh my god, you guys have to try it. And my secret to getting the perfect thickness of your smoothie bowl, if you don't have a Vitamix and you have just like a cheaper blender like this one, is to add little amounts of milk and blend it and then push down the sides until it gets like this texture. It's like literally like ice cream. It's so good. But yeah, I just added small amounts of milk and then I would like scrape down the sides over and over again until I got the texture that I wanted. It takes a while, but I promise it's worth it. And look how thick this is. Oh my gosh, I really want one now. And I also added some protein powder into this just so it was somewhat of a balanced day. Just make sure I get enough protein, carbs, and fat into my day. And then I just added blueberries and hemp seeds on top. And then for lunch, I just got a to-go acai bowl. I got their Frutella bowl from Fruitables. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It has like peanut butter, Nutella, acai, fruit. It was super good and 10 out of 10 would recommend. So I just got home from work and I am absolutely starving. Like, this was not my best idea, but I thought it would be interesting. So I'm just going to make, instead of a smoothie bowl, I'm going to make a smoothie before I go to the gym. I'm going to make like a chocolate peanut buttery one. Jack and I had this the other day. We made it. It was actually Jack's idea, but it was so good. I'll share it with you guys. But yeah, I don't recommend trying this because I'm very hungry and I just want something salty, you know, like salty and crunchy. I don't want anything smooth. Come in now. You're going to take some chocolate protein powder, just a scoop of chocolate protein powder, and some ice. I'm going to put some ice in this cup. And then we're going to add one banana. I'm about tired of bananas. And now a big spoonful of peanut butter, like that much. And the final ingredient, a liquid, whatever milk you want, I don't care. This literally tastes like a Wendy's Frosty. It's so good. And the longer you blend it, the thicker it gets. Just a little pro tip. So good. It literally tastes like a milkshake. Like, not even, I know like a lot of people are like, oh my god, I just made a smoothie and it tastes like a milkshake, but this one really does. Trust me. Hi. He just licked my nose. Alright, so now we're about to head to the gym. I am doing legs today. See how that goes. But this is the pre-workout I've been using lately. It's called Amino Lean. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I really like it. It's not super intense, but it tastes really good and I think it works pretty well. Yum. Tasty. Going to the gym, oh yeah. Going to the gym, oh yeah. Going to the gym, oh yeah.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
finished up at the gym. It was a little crowded, so I didn't get to record everything because, you know, don't want to make people uncomfy. But that was a really good workout. I'm actually really surprised that I wasn't tired because all I've eaten are smoothie bowls today. But the heaviest weight I ever have on the bench press machine. So if you guys are interested in the full workout and more workouts like that for the gym, just so you don't have to, you know, like plan it out or get to the gym and not know what to do. That's the hardest part, honestly, is knowing what to do at the gym that's effective. Definitely check out my workout guides below. I have a couple. I have a home workout one for those of you who are not comfortable with going to the gym yet. They're only $10 each, which, you know, for a whole like workout plan, that's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna go in and have like a protein shake or another smoothie or something, and then we're watching The Bachelor tonight, so I'm really excited. Also, if you're not a cat person, I don't know why, because look how cute this little thing is. Oh. Yeah? And that brings us to the end of today's video, but before we wrap things up, I kind of just wanted to debrief my experience with eating smoothie bowls for a whole day. I never thought I would say that, but here we are. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I was definitely like hungry and like over eating fruit. I'll probably take a good break from smoothies for like a week or so. The saying is true, you can have too much of a good thing, if you know what I mean. I will say that my workout was really good, probably because all of my meals were very carb heavy because they were basically just fruit, and I had that smoothie right before I worked out, so it was like a quick rush of sugar and carbs, which is probably why I maxed out on the bench press machine, which was pretty cool. So maybe I should have a smoothie every time before I go work out. Anyways, if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And here we go on the screen for the comment winner of today's video. If you want to be featured in my next video, definitely comment down below so you have a chance to be featured next time. Also, if there is anything you want me to try to do for a day or a fun challenge, definitely comment that down below and I will definitely do it, because it was honestly kind of fun, even though it kind of sucked and I really wanted to eat some chips. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!